Conditional formal. So far, I have positive lang. Exam. Hindi ba? Uy, nag-record na.
Wala mo. Julie din.
This is the hypo. Removed by to show if the conditional statement is false, you only need to find one example. Which the hypothesis is fulfilled and the conclusion is not fulfilled. To show that the conditional statement is true, you must construct a logical argument using reason. The reasons can be a definition, an action, a property, a postulate, or a theory. The end.